I felt the failure as a man. I felt the failure as a man.
So, there's only 2 plugins on each of these tracks. On the master bus, it's just a maximizer. I want to tell you guys about this new plugin from Kush. It's called Novatron, and many are already saying that it is the compressor plugin of the year for 2017. I have to agree, because this thing, alright, a lot of in-the-box compressors sound good, but this thing in particular, I'll just tweak the settings, even though I had them set for this intro. So I'll play it one more time before I mess everything up.
I felt the failure as a man. Where'd you go? I couldn't watch over you.
Yes, I know the vocals are too quiet. Anyway, check out what this thing can do. Like, seriously, the sound of this is... I've never heard anything like this in the box. Alright, I know I overdid it on that one, but that's just to show you, you can really push the heck out of this thing, and it makes things fatter. It makes things just, you know, it's got that saturation characteristic to it that you hear with real hardware. And, you know, what's special about this plugin, because there's a million compressors out there. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but somewhere around, you know, let's say there's about 700 to 1,000 compressor plugins out there. Maybe not that much, but whatever. What makes this special is that they tweaked it so you have different compressor topologies depending on what your time constants are. So, you know, if you adjust attack and release at a certain setting, it switches over from, let's say, FET to VCA or Varimu, all in one plugin. And then you also have your transformers up here. You have your different modes. You have other modes over here. And then, of course, the very useful sidechain high-pass filter along with a mix knob. All modern features that make mixing a lot quicker. On top of that, the oversampling is very nice. I've just started playing with this plugin and wanted to share it with you all because in the next few days, I'm going to be demoing a plugin I've been waiting for a long time, and you'll see that video. But this one is the one I'll be comparing it against because this one's very versatile. The other one's very versatile. and we'll see which one is the better plugin. I mean, this one came out of nowhere. Nobody was expecting this, and it just sounds quite good. So definitely check it out. It does require an iLok 2 or iLok 3 hardware dongle, but you know, most people have them, I would think. So yeah, just download it, listen to it, play with it on your mixes. I'm shocked by how good it sounded. Now, I wasn't too happy about it on vocals, but that's probably because I don't know what I'm doing. I just started using this plugin, and I will be checking out the manual very soon. But the fact that I could just turn this on, usually I read manuals before I play with plugins, but I figured I'd see how easy it is to use this. Is it perfect? No. Again, I have GUI issues with the lettering being too small. You know, I'm getting older, and you make small letters on screen. I can't see stuff. I like to see stuff, and that's a little annoying. But besides that, I mean, the sound is just excellent. Excellent. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com.